This HAWC tutorial video will cover the second step in the process of updating a data pivot visualization for animal bioassay studies: how to modify descriptive text columns and visualization data options. Choose a visualization to edit. Under the Actions menu, selecting Edit Other Settings will allow edits to the visualization starter page, where the visualization and pre-filtered data were previously defined. If there are no necessary edits on this page, choose Edit Display Settings from the Actions menu to edit all other settings to display the desired information on the visualization. Click the Settings tab. Within this tab, there are 6 subtabs: Descriptive Text Columns, Visualization Data, Data Filtering and Ordering, References, Styles, and Other Settings. Choose the Descriptive Text Columns subtab. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will show how to add and remove columns or move columns to a different location, and how to modify field names, column widths, and text styles. Under Column Header, use the drop-down menus to select each HAWC data field of the visualization that you would like to add or modify. It might be helpful to view the table heading on the Data tab for a reference to data field names. If additional column headers are necessary, add new rows by clicking the New Row button in the top right. To remove a column, use the X under Ordering. To modify how field names are displayed on the visualization, indicate those changes for each field in the Display Name column. The order of description columns can be changed using the Move Up and Move Down arrows under Ordering. If desired, use Header Style and Text Style to edit the format of the text in the column headers or the body of the visualization. Vary the width of the columns by entering the number of maximum width in pixels. The On-Click columns allow users to specify fields that will have an active link when the contents of those fields are clicked in the HAWC visualization. On-Click gives the option to open details of the study, experiment, animal group, and endpoint. Choose the Visualization Data subtab. The visualization type is Forest Plot. Data points are associated with each record of data under the column heading specified in the Descriptive Text Columns subtab. The current data point option is %control mean, with data point error bar selections of %control low and %control high. By default, HAWC will add a legend name and a black circle marker style in the visualization legend for this data point. These can be modified here or in the Other Settings subtab. Conditional formatting is used to format data point markers based on their value. Click the Edit button to modify conditional formatting. Currently, conditional formatting is set up to indicate significant results. Click the Add button to set up a second condition. In this example, we will change markers for control values to blue triangles to distinguish them from other dose levels. Choose a condition field that will help identify control values. Select the condition type. Modify the marker as desired. Note that subsequent conditions will override previous conditions. In this case, to avoid non-control values reverting to the base marker style, do not modify the style where the condition equals an index other than 0. Click Save and Close to enable the conditional formatting. Note that data point-specific formatting can also be applied under the Data Filtering and Ordering subtab. Data point-specific formatting overrides the conditional formatting performed here. On-Click allows users to add an active link to the data point on the forest plot or bar chart. Options include opening details of the study, experiment, animal group, and endpoint. When multiple data point options are specified, the order of the options can be changed using the Move Up and Move Down arrows under Ordering. By default, data point markers will be plotted in the order in which they are listed. As a result, when multiple data points are specified, markers may overlap. In this example, we only need one data point option. If necessary, additional data points can be added using the New Row button in the top right. Data point options can be removed using the X under Ordering. Click Update Data Pivot Settings to save the updates to Descriptive Text Columns and Visualization Data subtabs. HAWC will now display the current visualization with the selected column headers and data points. The remaining subtabs are used to further format and refine the visualization. For more information and for more HAWC tutorial videos, visit hawkprd.epa.gov.